If you're the type who wants to play on a large screen, then it makes sense to play on your Switch with a dock that's connected to your TV. While this setup is easily done for the majority of users, some people may encounter an issue with it. In this troubleshooting guide, we'll show you the solutions on what you can do if your Nintendo Switch is not connecting to your TV for some reason. How to fix Nintendo Switch not connecting to TV issue? If your Nintendo is not connecting to the TV, these are the solutions that you can try. Fix number 1. Verify that the TV is using the correct input or source. If your TV has multiple inputs, make sure that you select the correct HDMI source. You can try to cycle through the entire list of inputs if you're not sure which of the sources belongs to your Nintendo Switch dock. You can also do a quick visual check on your TV which of the HDMI port is connected to your Nintendo Switch. For example, if the Nintendo Switch dock is using the HDMI 1 port on the TV, be sure to select the correct HDMI input on the remote. Fix number 2. Power on the Nintendo Switch dock. If your Nintendo Switch is still not connecting to the TV, the next good thing that you can do is to unplug both ends of the HDMI cable and make sure that the dock is powered on by plugging in the AC adapter properly. You can also try to refresh the dock first by unplugging the AC adapter for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Then connect the HDMI cable again to the dock and to the TV. At this point, you want to ensure that you double-check the TV output LED on the dock is lit. Fix number 3. Use a different HDMI cable. If you have a different HDMI cable that's connected to the TV already, try using that to establish a connection to the Nintendo Switch dock. This way you can be sure that you have a good working HDMI cable and TV port. Fix number 4. Connect to another TV. If using another HDMI cable and port did not fix the issue at all, consider using a different TV set. If needed, bring your Nintendo Switch and dock to your friend to try the connection on their TV. Again, make sure that you connect the AC adapter properly to ensure that the dock is powered before connecting the HDMI cable to the TV. This step will help you determine if there's a problem with your Nintendo Switch console and/or dock. Fix number 5. Contact Nintendo support. If none of the solutions have in this guide has helped you in connecting your Switch to a TV, there may be an issue with your device. We highly recommend that you contact Nintendo support for a possible replacement or repair. The Nintendo Switch Lite won't connect to a TV. Some Nintendo Switch Lite owners may try to connect their console to a dock to connect to a TV. This console is primarily designed to be carried, and it does not have the capability to work with a Nintendo Switch dock. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate if you can leave a like or comment, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends.